too busy glistening, glistening. And why you ain't listen then, listen back then. Now you too much, too little, yeah, too late.
Stiff what?
Oh, no.
Stiff what?
Well.
No.
Yes, bitch.
No stiff, bitch.
No, none of that.
Shake, bitch.
What?
Shake. Peekaboo. Alright, so I am back with my lashes. If you guys would like to know how I put my lashes on step by step, very detailed, stay tuned because I have another video that's coming up very soon. Okay, so the next thing now to finish up this look, everything's done, lashes are done. I like to go back in with a little bit more highlighter, and I usually put this more so in my inner corner, and I use a very tiny brush. I'm taking the same Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive, and I'm putting it right in my inner corner like so. It just helps to brighten up the area. For lips, this is usually like a lip, I wouldn't say a lip color that I wear every day, but I do have some favorites that I usually wear, not every day, but I wear these colors a lot. What I have on my lips right now is the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme, and I usually put that on like as a prep, like before I like actually put on my lip product. You could choose to line your lips if you want to, but on a day where I'm just at work and I'm not really feeling like it, I don't usually do it, so it's optional. But I like to take, where is it? This one is from NYX, and it's their Paradise Fluff Lip Oil. And it's super hydrating. I just like to put that on. And then I go in with my Je ne sais quoi Rose Lip Treatment. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Here is my everyday makeup glam. Very simple. Sometimes if I'm feeling a little extra, I like to add like a dramatic wing liner, and I'll just change the lashes. But essentially the foundation and the base and the concept is all the same. Ways that I would switch this look up on a daily basis, I would, like I said, I would add like a dramatic wing liner. I'd switch the lashes up, and I would maybe fill in my brows with actual product. Today, you guys know I did not fill in my brows with anything. I just used a little bit of clear brow gel, and then I took my concealer and I just kind of like pretended like, you know, I had something to clean up. So basically, here is the final look. If you like to see how I put my lashes on in detail, especially if you're someone like me who has curly lashes, then be sure to watch my next upload because it's very informative and you'll definitely love it. So that's it guys. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Mwah. Bye.